Hi, my beautiful friends. I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki here. And friends, I am coming to you today with just simply a fun fall video. You know, I'm deep in home renovations. I have so much content headed your way. So be on the lookout for that. I hope you will enjoy as I start rolling out that content. But today it's about really celebrating fall. And I'm doing it with my friend Melanie. And many of you may know her from the YouTube channel, Living Luxuriously for Less. We have been friends for so many years now. We connected here on YouTube. I think it's been about 9 years, 10 years. It's been a long time. And she is one of my closest friends. She's my little sis. And what we decided to do was do an exchange, a fall exchange, in which we would gift each other things for our home office for the fall. And so I am so super excited. I have this huge box here that has fragile written all over it here. I have that I'm going to be opening. I'm going to sit it right beside me. But I have this, excuse my chair too squeaking. This chair is out of here. I tell you, I don't even recommend it. You won't even see the link anywhere because I do not like my desk chair. Just got it, not comfortable. It's probably the worst desk chair that I've ever gotten, but it's just not comfortable. So if you hear it squeaking and you hear it all kinds of things, and it's brand new. So let's get into this fall haul. So let me do the intro and then we'll get into the fall haul. Okay, friends, I am back. I got my scissors and I am ready to break into this box. So super excited. By the way, you should be seeing this probably the same day, this video same day. It is Sunday morning, very early. Mike is taking his shower. We're getting ready to head off to church. It is my serve Sunday, so I'm have to go early to set up the my job at church is I set up communion and the hospitality table for everyone who serve. And so usually what I put out is donuts and bagels. I like the thin bagels with cream cheese and coffee and biscotti and just kind of, you know, simple eats that they can have. Okay, so let's see. I see a lot of, what's the thing called? The fuzzies. Oh, she has it wrapped so pretty. Oh my goodness. Only Melanie. If you definitely check her out. She does so much great content from home decor to, she is an amazing event planner. She has several courses if you're looking to get into business. She does, face-to-face courses, along with she does online, and she's amazing. You will love her. You will love her content. So definitely check her out. And look, she has it wrapped. This is wrapped in such beautiful fall paper. It's so pretty. Oh, look at the leather pumpkin. How cute. And she only does things top notch, I tell you. And I'm pulling everything out, and then we're going to open it because it's so pretty. And this is so cute. And she has the cutest little leather pumpkins on here. And then she has a leather, written in leather saying, I think it says, grateful. Oh, that's so cute. And we have a grateful here. I'm pulling everything out, and then we're going to get to opening everything. Okay. Oh, beautiful. Everything. So I'm going to have to stop and take a picture before I open it so that I can. Okay, we have something here that seems breakable. We're going to sit you there. By the way, I do have my morning cup. It is my first cup of the day in my pumpkin mug, piping hot. So good. Oh, she has a ton of stuff in here. Okay, so we have some, it looks like some breakables, I think. So I'm going to sit those there. Oh, I am one lucky chick here. This is so nice. Oh, everything is just wrapped so incredibly beautiful. Thank you so much, Melanie. I feel like it's Christmas. This is absolutely beautiful. Okay, so I hope you guys can see fine. I apologize if my lighting is a little off. Like I said, it's really early, so the sun is starting to come up, and I don't have my film lights or anything, so I'm just kind of winging it this morning to get it in before we leave, but let's get into it. I also want to mention, to see all of the things that I bought for Melanie in her office, definitely check out her channel, Living Luxuriously for Less. I'll put the link to her channel in the description box. You definitely will not want to miss the great finds that I found her. And so the first thing that I could not miss is this beautiful, beautiful pumpkin. You know, Melanie came when we were living in our apartment last fall. She actually came to visit, and she did the prettiest pumpkin arrangement for me, floral arrangement for me. And so this is so nice to be able to have this from her, even though this is not one of her originals, because she does beautiful florals. But I'll try to insert, if I have it here, I'll try to insert a clip from that. But we went to Trader Joe's, got fresh flowers, and she did the most beautiful arrangement for my little kitchenette table. It was so, so pretty, and I really, really appreciated that. And it gave my apartment just a special touch. And so this reminded me of it, because she and I went on a hunt when we were looking for to go get the flowers. We were looking for the perfect container, and so we hit up our normal spots, the Home Goods, TJ Maxx, and we were hitting the streets with it. And so this reminds me of that arrangement. So perfect, Melanie. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. So let's see. The next thing is the beautiful brown package, and I almost hate to. You know, when packages are wrapped so beautiful, you hate to even disturb it. But I am going to break in to see what Miss Melanie has gotten me. Ooh, scents for the fall. Okay, so this tells me that she got me something, scents for the fall. It says grateful and gather here. And this is vanilla bean and spice. And it's the melts, the natural wax melts. And this one is citrus wood, fresh air. Perfect. I have a feeling something else is coming with that. Okay, so she had 2 of these in here, which seem very delicate. So I'm going to go ahead and open these, and let's see what we got here. I'm sorry for all the noise. Let's see. You know, I was telling Melanie I wanted some fall. Oh, beautiful. Toasted marshmallow. From the bakery. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Oh, and I was telling Melanie, can you see? Hold on, let me get up there so you can see. Oh, can you see if it's, I hope it's not. Let me see if I can get it to not be focusing. Can you see? Isn't that beautiful? Oh, how so beautiful. I love the labeling. It's everything with the candle, isn't it? Ooh, don't. It's everything with the candle, isn't it? So the next thing, I am happy girl. Happy girl. I was telling Melanie, oh, what's this? That I wanted to go fall candle shopping. Oh, this is too cute. Oh my goodness, this is too cute. Hello fall, look at this mug with the pumpkins on top. How cute is that? And it says, hello fall. I hope you guys can see it. I'm going to try to get close-ups of this stuff too for you guys. How cute is that? Oh my goodness. Have not seen a mug like this. So cute. And it looks good on my desk. And Melanie is so detail-oriented, because even the Hello Fall are in that light blue, which are my brand colors. So appropriate for the office. I caught that, Melanie. I totally caught that. So, oh, I'm already excited. I got more to open, and I'm already just, oh, excited. This is Christmas. Christmas for fall. Okay, so let's see where we're going. Okay, what's this? Fragile. Okay, let's see. What is this? Oh, Melanie. She got Bentley and Albert fall outfits. Oh, see what TT Melanie got you guys? Oh, look at there. How cute. And she knows Bentley Albert because she got the perfect sizes for them. How adorable is that? Oh, they're wearing these today. Because Bentley and Albert are country dogs. They put their stuff on as soon as they get it. Melanie, this is above and beyond. This is so super cute. Love it. They're wearing their fall things that TT got them. Okay, let's see what this is. That is so cute. And look, Albert's jumping up. He's interested in. So sorry for the paper, guys. So sorry. Oh, this is so. And with us doing the renovations, I'm just so overly excited for this stuff too, because like my house right now, I don't have like any fall things. And Melanie, it's funny because last year, that's how friends are such a blessing, because last year when she came to my house, I really didn't have a lot of fall. I had a little bit of I had put a black throw out, a little bit of pumpkins, but not anything. And when she came and did that floral arrangement, fall was in the house. I love it. And so she's doing it again this year because with the renovations, I hadn't put any fall stuff out. So this is my fall. Thank you, Mel. This is beautiful. This is a ceramic wax warmer in the pumpkin. I'm going to show you guys close-ups. This is absolutely beautiful. I love it. And that's where the wax comes in. Perfect. See, she listens because I was telling her, I said I wanted to get some, everything's just wrapped. So Melanie, you really outdid yourself. You guys don't forget to go check out the video to see what I got Melanie. I mean, she spoiled me immensely. This is beautiful. What is this? Okay, I have a feeling this is something she knows I'm going to love. She knows I'm going to love this. Oh, salted caramel apple spread. Whoa. Yes. This is me all day long. She knows I am a foodie. I love my food. So we got to figure out what are we going to put this on. I had mentioned that I like the thin bagels. This would be good on a thin bagel. I can't wait to break this out. Salted. Ooh, I can't. And look at the colors. She definitely has a theme. Like she gave me the brown leather pumpkins, and then see Bentley and Albert's out. Everything has that nice warm fall. Very thoughtful. Love it, Melanie. You're just the best. I love everything. Beautiful. Again, this is not fall to me. This is Christmas. So Christmas. Bentley and Albert are going to look sharp in their outfits. Okay, what is this? We got, oh, I'm sorry. I didn't show you guys the Bentley. Wait. Let's see what. Oh, this is so cute for my planner. How in the world did you find this? This is beautiful. It is a clamp for my planner. Beautiful. Oh, Melanie. Okay, I'm gonna do close-ups to show you guys these things because Miss Melanie she showed out on me. This is beautiful. Everything is just so perfect. And then here's the last one. I feel so spoiled. So spoiled. Let's see here. And everything was just, I'm keeping the grateful the wrapping. That's so pretty. Not the wrapping paper, but the. Okay, let's see. Fragile. Let's see here. Oh, where did I put my scissors? Oh, didn't mean to. Now she knew. You know, I put these in her. This is too funny. I put these in her box also. It's the caramel apple Werther's original. She only likes the caramel apple when they come out in the fall. I love both versions. So this, and you know, it's so funny because when I had got hers, I was eyeing those things until I shipped it off. And see, that's why when you do the right thing, the Lord looks out for you, because I was tempted to just keep that bag for myself, but I knew that wasn't the right thing to do. And because I did the right thing, look how the Lord blessed me. It's a beautiful thing. It is a beautiful thing. See, Melanie, I can't talk about you no more. Oh, these are so cute. Oh my gosh, I never saw these. They're mug topper cookies, so they fit over the mug. How cute is this? Oh, I love it. And see, I can't talk about Melanie. Me and Melanie have these things about cookies. Oh, I can't wait to try this out. I'm going to do a close-up with this so you guys can see that. So, friends, I forgot one gift, but as I was getting up, I saw it. So, I just feel extra spoiled. Okay, so let's open this one here and see what we got. Oh, my goodness. A planner clamp that is my name. And spelled like my name, my government name, by the way. Oh, this is so beautiful. I can't wait to share this with you guys. Friends, she outdid herself. She outdid herself. I love everything. Everything is absolutely beautiful. She has sprinkled my home with fall, something that I didn't have as we're having the renovation. So she yet again has blessed my house this fall season. And I want to encourage you to do something with your friend. You know, whether you get on FaceTime and cook something together or go apple picking, you know, do something for the fall with a friend to just create a beautiful memory. And definitely go check out Melanie's channel and subscribe while you're over there. You will absolutely love her. She's just a beautiful person, a wealth of knowledge when it comes to so many things, and you'll love her. And definitely go check out, I'll put the link to the video where she unboxed the things that I sent her for her home office. So I hope you will check it out. I'm sending you guys love. I will see you at the next video. I hope you all are doing great and are highly blessed. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.